Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Even the bell notification so you can know every time that I drop a video. Today, guys, I'm dropping this video to let you guys be aware and to put you up on just random crimes done to random people who are just trying to make things happen. We have 3 cars in my family. One car is just like an extra car that we just kind of keep parked in front of our house. Every now and then, the queen might drive it to, save a little gas from the other car that she drives. This car sits a little bit too low for me, so I really don't drive it that much. I drive it, every now and then, but it sits too low for me, so I pretty much don't drive it. But it's the spare car in the family, or it's the spare car that we have. And we came home. I came home. I received a call that when she started up the car, that it was making a loud sound, or it made a loud sound. She didn't give really too much description. But I said, it's an old car. Old cars make loud sounds. But she didn't describe to me what the sound sound like. And later on, she described to me what the sound sound like. And she was informed that maybe the catalytic converter was probably gone. So when I got home from the rat race, I immediately jumped under the car. And sure enough, someone in front of our house with all the cameras pointed towards the car came and stole the catalytic converter from out of the car. And if you guys are not aware, catalytic converter thefts have been on the rise because they have some type of gold and platinum particle within the catalytic converter that they extract. And it's a very minimum amount, but if you steal enough of them, then I guess you get to add it all up, or whatever the case may be. I don't know the real in-depth details on what they do with it. But anyway, long story short, it's gonna cost about, for this particular car, averaging from about $1,700 to about $2,000, because it has to be California compliant OEM part. With that being said, we are not certain that the insurance company is going to cover it. So law enforcement was called out. We did file a police report. But if you don't know what it sounds like when your catalytic converter is stolen, let me give you an example of what it sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and it has a very strong emission that's coming from under the car, and it's to me, it sounds like a race engine, but it's not the business. So if you ever come across, or you hop into your car and you come across that sound when you start your car, more than likely your catalytic converter has been stolen. Now, we do have full insurance on all our cars, and I'm hopeful that it does cover the catalytic converter and we can move on with life. In California now, they're giving people the options to install a catalytic converter blocker or some device like that to shield your catalytic converter from future theft. All right, guys, the motto on the page, each one teach one. And if you've ever heard of people getting their catalytic converter stolen, or if you have had your catalytic converter stolen, drop a comment down below. Like I said, we have cameras all around our house, and it was so brazen that they still stole the catalytic converter. Now, it's just wild. It's just wild. It happens to everybody. It has the potential. Crime has the potential to reach everyone. It just so happened to be our turn. So, you know, I'm glad that no one was hurt in the theft of the catalytic converter, because a couple months ago we had some guy in California that was murdered. I think he was like an actor or something. He came out. He saw that his catalytic converter, he caught the people in the act of stealing his catalytic converter, and they shot him in the chest. So, you know, all life is great. This is material possession, and we're glad that it was just a catalytic converter. But I want to put this video out there as a PSA to everybody. Continue to be vigilant, and as hard as we work to get, as hard as they work to steal and take and remove from us. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay. And I'll let you hear this one more time: